finally. Where's the answer button? Oh. Donnie here. I mean, test subject number. What was it again?
Are you in the starting position?
What? Yeah, just off, Highway 46.
Are you wearing the blindfold?
Yeah. Hey, the ad said nothing about a blindfold.
Good.
And the cuffs, hey, I'm not into that shit, man.
Is the deal off?
What? No, fine, whatever. I'm cool, man, I'm cool.
Good.
Hey, your experiment's half an hour, yeah? 'Cause I've got a date later, can't be late, you know what I mean?
Shut up. Start driving.
What do you mean, start driving? Hey, what the hell? Hey, wait! Hey! Fuck! The brakes don't work!
The car is remote controlled. Except the wheel. That's on you.
Shit! This thing's going against traffic, man!
Relax. Now, pay attention. Do you have ears?
What?
Do you have ears?
Yes.
So use them. Listen for approaching cars, hear which side they're coming from, and hold to the opposite side.
Opposite? Well, how will I know?
Here comes one now. Not bad. Well done.
This is fucked up, man.
Now, stay in the middle between the two lanes on the broken line.
I can't see the line!
Exactly. Excellent.
Hey, man, this is like, not at all what I had in mind,
Now, you can do it. Oh, I've got to feed the cat.
But, what? The cat?
Driving. Call you back.
Wait! Oh, shit. Hey,
Looking good.
I am getting the hang of this.
Told you could do it.
I'm a pro, man. I do these experiments all the time.
You've got talent. Sure does run in the family.
Family? I'm not really sure what you mean by that, man, but...
Quick, hold to the left. Left. Good one.
Was that a bicycle?
Did you hear how rude they were? They've got no manners.
Manners?
Think they own the road. Granola heads.
Well, actually, cycling is healthy and good for the environment, man.
Shut up. You're gonna show them who owns the road.
Who owns the...
And the best
road?
part, you get an extra life for each.
Okay. Right, just hang up. Thank you. I'm driving blind, you asshole! You see? Sorry. That one felt nice, actually. That hit the spot. Hey, this is some fucked up shit. You know that?
There's no way to talk to Grandma.
Grandma?
Yes, you called.
I called?
Not canceling on me again. Now you done it.
What? No, I mean... Oh, Jesus, Grandma, did you forget your teeth again?
Yes. Don't be mad. I'll put them on when I get home.
Try to remember for once, will you?
What's the matter, Boobale? You sound all worked up.
No, I'm fine. I'm just... working a gig.
A gig?
Science research. An experiment.
Pfft, I told you to stop doing those fakakta experiments. Get a proper job.
They pay well, okay? I need the money.
Well, don't be late, Donnie. I made you filter fish, and poor Wilkins hasn't had his fur brushed in ages.
Wilkins is fine.
He only likes it when you...
Grandma? Hello?
Sweet little grandma on her way home.
You dialed her?
What a good grandson. Dinner with grandma every Tuesday? Oh,
Hey, how do you even... Hey, that's not cool, man. Listening in on private conversations?
you sound upset. Are you upset, Donnie?
Yeah, man, cut out the creepy shit, okay?
Well, it's no fun if you're upset. Let's turn on the radio. Something to cheer you up.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me!
What's that? I can't hear you.
Fucking scientists, man! Sorry, I need you! Yes, thank you!
Getting better by the minute.
Good one with the radio. Can we, not do that again?
Relax. You're doing so well, I'm gonna give you a treat. Have some ice cream.
Save it for your lab rats. I don't like ice cream.
Shut up! Everyone likes ice cream. Ah, here comes the ice cream truck. Catch it! Yeah! Wasn't that delicious?
Whoa, this is some good shit.
I told you so. And you know what? It's really good for your ears.
Wait. What now? Ah. What the? Hey! The windows? Really?
I was worried you'd catch a cold.
Haha. That's funny, man. Now open up.
Or worse, I'd never let little Donushka get an ear infection.
Hey! This is going too far!
You're welcome.
We're supposed to be done by now. Okay. Concentrate. Gotta be kidding me! God damn it! Leave me alone! Fucking... This is your sister! And don't come back! Fresh air. Yeah, what now?
Congratulations. You've made it through phase 1.
Really? Finally! Wait, phase 1?
You've been brilliant. But phase 2 is where it really gets spanking.
Phase 2? No. This has been great, man, but I gotta run. How about you just mail me the check, huh?
Shut up! You'll be done when I say you're done.
Come on!
Complete the experiment or you don't get paid.
But Okay, fine. Hey, can...
Speech on. Settings. One new item. Page. Setting. Volume. Select. Mute. Stage. Node. Camera. Music. Select. Sound. Selected. Screen recording.